learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
What to get your significant other on Valentine's Day? Flowers? Chocolates? It all seems so passé. But never fear, why not explore the range of distinctive Hakka products for your perfect Valentine's gift? For the gourmand, try Hakka salty pork or tasty pineapple sauce. For the fashionista, distinctive Hakka-style shirts, fabric bags, cell phone pouches, and more. And even better, they're all available online.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Josephine. Now, when Leo's here, we talk about, food, places, proverbs. So let's have Leo introduce some gift items that has some Hakka cultural color to it. That can be some of your alternative choices for any type of gift, whether it be a Valentine's gift or a Father's Day gift or even a Christmas gift. 有什么？
先从讲吃的好了，
因
为大家对吃的比较有兴趣。
对，
吃的我们可以送客家的喊竹牛。
喊猪牛，这我知道啦，这咸猪肉啦。
对，
常常我们在煮饭的时候就会带到咸猪肉放在里面了。
咸猪肉的作用非常的多啊。
So if you want to, give the gift of food or a food ingredient or item, how about the Hakka salty pork? It's very tasty and you can use it in so many different dishes. Okay, 就是咸猪肉。
喊竹牛。
OK， 那如果不是要送肉这种东西的话，
不要送肉的话，那还有一种东西啊，你爱不爱喝苦瓜鸡汤？
喜欢。
苦瓜鸡汤一定要加黄梨酱才好吃啊！
知道了，
黄色的水果，
黄梨酱其实是凤梨酱，对不对？
就是凤梨啦。
The pineapple sauce is also a common item that you can give as a gift. It's a very good ingredient that you can put in so many different dishes as well, including the bitter gourd chicken soup as well. Okay, 凤梨酱。
黄梨酱，对。那如果要说别的东西呢？那还有客家的蓝山啊，现在有一些创意的蓝山也很不错啊。还有客家花布啊，把它做成各种的包包啊，或者手机袋啊，我觉得那些都是非常非常的适合去当做礼物来送给人家的。
That's true. Okay, well, now when it comes to ordinary lifestyle items, maybe you can check out the Hakka style shirts, 就是蓝山嘛and anything made with their cloth, like the fabric bags, or there's even cell phone pouches. 其实现在用那些布呢，可以做很多创意的东西了，对不对？连手机套可能都有了。
对啊。
All right, so those are some of the choices you can, make when you want to give a special, unique gift. There you go. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.